When parents separate, making the right decisions for their children is one of the most important things they have to do. It's a difficult and emotional time, so getting good and clear information is important. Many parents can agree on arrangements for the children, such as where they will live and how often they will see the parent they are not living with. But sometimes it's not easy to come to an agreement. Where parents have not been able to agree on arrangements for the children, it may be necessary to apply to the family court, where a judge will make the decisions for them.
My role as a family judge is to decide on what is in the best interests of children whose parents cannot decide on things like where the child will live or how many nights a week the other parent will see them. These cases follow a set process to be fair to both sides, and can take up to 18 months with many visits to my court. If parents can agree on child arrangements, they work better for the children and the parents, and it avoids a lengthy and sometimes difficult court case. But in some cases, coming to court is the only way to reach an agreement, and so I am here to make that decision.
The legal process is not easy, but there is information available about the things separating parents they may need to know. There's a website called Family Court Information for Northern Ireland, along with a Pathfinder tool. Both are sources of information on the legal process and things you may need to know. The website contains information about alternatives to going to court, and also information about managing a case in the Family Proceedings Court. It is specific to Northern Ireland. The website link is www.ulster.ac.uk/family court info, all one word. There is a section on alternatives to try to avoid the need to go to court. However, if you have received a letter from the court requiring you to go to court, or you have decided going to court is the right thing for your situation, there is information on the process. There is a general overview of the process, as well as more detailed information on the steps to making an application or responding to an application. And it lays out what to expect when at the family court and how the court staff can help. And there is help with terminology and legal jargon, and links to the court forms or documents asked for by the court. There is also a navigation tool called the Pathfinder tool that helps people know what they need to do depending on their particular circumstances. The tool has menus for you to choose from depending on your circumstances. First, you agree the terms of using it. In this example, the person using the tool selects that the child who they are making arrangements for lives in Northern Ireland. As judges can only make decisions for children, the tool makes sure the child is under 16. The next menus ask for details about your circumstances and what you want to do. In this example, this father has received a summons to attend court, so he clicks through and is guided to more information about summonses. He can find out more by clicking the link that will take him into the appropriate page in the website. These tools are designed for all private family litigants, both those ones who decide to hire a solicitor and those who self-represent. There are dozens of family solicitors who can provide professional and expert help. Contact the Law Society. But for people who, for whatever reason, do not hire a solicitor, the information contained in these tools is accurate, credible, and supported by the Department of Justice. You can help by directing separating parents to these tools.